Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video earlier today how to put a cut line around all these stickers. And when I was watching the video, I started thinking, that just doesn't look good to me. I mean, it's perfectly fine, but I thought I'd give them an option to change that. So first of all, we're going to get rid of that contour, and we're going to select all these things. So let's go to find it. Let's get back to the whole page. Let's zoom in on just the page. Let's go to find and replace. Basically find object, and we're going to do what we did before, from selection, and then find all. And what it's going to do, it found all those boxes. Now we can open Windows Docker's corners, and we can round those corners 1/2 centimeter. Well, first of all, we have to take the shape tool and select them all with the shape tool to select all the nodes, and then hit apply. What that did, it rounded the corners of our sticker. Now we could close all this. I think it's going to look better, but that's just personal preference. Let's go back to, like we did earlier, find and replace, and we'll go find from selection, find all, and then we're going to do what we did earlier. We're going to go to group, because we want to move them out of the way just to kind of show you. Don't know what, my nudge factor is set still pretty high, so we're going to nudge them off the page. And then we're going to open up the contour docker like we did earlier. Go to Effects, Contour. We'll close this one down, and we're going to contour it to the outside in red. Now, for some reason, it's doing a thick line, but they're still all grouped together. So we can go to Object and break the contour apart. The contour is still there. Double click on your pen tool and make it that hairline to cut out the stickers. And voila. Then all you have to do is just take it and nudge it back up. Now you have, to me, a better looking sticker. The corners are rounded to match the contour. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.